Okay, so because my seatbelt strap wasn't staying put, even with all the latches into place, as a temporary solution, I was trying to add these buckles to see if maybe that would keep my seat into place, but as I was lightly pulling, this bolt that connected the straps to the seat into this hole, get a better angle here, this hole, this bolt came out, and oh, there it is. And there's that side of it, and just flip it over. That is where, this is where it was supposed to be secure to hold these latch straps on. And now I have no solution. Here I am, 7 months pregnant, trying to fix a seat that I can gently rip apart, that is not staying secure or in its spot, and the belt just slides right on through. Even though the belt is tight, it is locked and secured, so you know, secure there. I could just pull it apart. Now the latch straps just broke.